Whoa, you're all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, you can see how I gave this TV console a little facelift using peel and stick paper and paint. It's alright, stay a while. We purchased this TV console years ago from a thrift store. I wanted to make a little change to it. I began by removing the handles. I used this gold metallic paint on the handles. It may look like 6 individual drawers, but it's not. There are 2 separate doors. I measured each door and covered each one with peel and stick paper. I used black electrical tape to create fake divisions on the doors. I then poked all the holes to reinsert the handles. Here's the before and here's the after, quick and simple. Thank you for watching this DIY and have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.